In this video, I want to show you how to turn off call forwarding on iPhone. To turn off call forwarding on iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your settings. So let's tap on my settings and go to my settings now. So once you get to your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on apps. So I want you to tap on apps at the bottom. So once you tap on apps at the bottom, I want you to go to the search bar at the top and type in phone inside the search bar. So let's tap on phone. So once it brings out phone for you, I want you to tap on that phone. So once you tap on that phone, it will open up this page for you. So what I want you to do on here, I want you to scroll down, scroll down. So once you scroll down, you are going to see where it says call forwarding. So I want you to tap on that call forwarding. So once you tap on that call forwarding, as you can see, my call forwarding is turned on. So as you can see, it is showing green, which means the call forwarding is on. To turn off this call forwarding, I just tap on it. So once you tap on that call forwarding, it will turn this call forwarding off. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off call forwarding on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.